going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Varta, editor-in-chief for technowarriorstv, and welcome to the unboxing of the Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 2. Now, this is like the baby brother of the Wonder series, like the Boom series. This is Logitech's really cool consumer Bluetooth speaker stuff. Now, as you can see, the Ultimate Ears is a really good line of products. As you can see, we have, showcasing right off the product, we have like outdoor boost, mode play, plein air, portable Bluetooth speaker, surprising big sound, outdoor boost, and basically it buys to run for a bunch of features. This little guy is also waterproof. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you the back, showing you some of the cool things, like featuring it has a 13-hour battery life, which is really, really cool. So let's go ahead and get her done. Oh, we have one on the bottom, it looks like. Okay. And now, we can take that off. The cool thing I like about it's got a little pull tab, which makes it really, really easy to get that off. Ultimate Ears right there. Oh, we actually might use this overall. There we go. No problem. Speaker right in front. Center. Looking really sharp here. Take that off. Bottom one comes after that. Looking at the door, we can see it's a standard micro USB connection. In here, we have a micro USB, really, really sharp looking flat style cable, and various literature, including a little manual. In here, you can see you get pairing instructions. And ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it for this device. Thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing video of the Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 2 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of this. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow! Right in the kisser. Make sure to stay tuned for the full video review coming soon.